Hi, and welcome back to Angel's Kitchen and Beyond, where every journey takes you beyond the ordinary.
We're in the crowd, everybody's dancing now. Let's leave them behind. You say, get my jacket.
Welcome to Nguuni Nature Sanctuary, a breathtaking wildlife haven in Bamburi, Mombasa. If you love wildlife, adventure, and serene landscapes, this is the perfect escape from the city's hustle and bustle. In today's video, we'll experience wild encounters with giraffe, tortoise, and more. Plus, we'll explore why this sanctuary is one of the best picnic spots in Mombasa, loved by families and couples. So sit back, relax, and let's explore this hidden gem together.
Cherry on top, when I'm getting under you. That 70s pop, playing from your speakers. Ooh, this kind of touch is one I can't afford to lose. All the stars in the sky and the shining silver moon. Got nothing on you. Said I shouldn't stay, but you look so pretty, pretty boy. Won't go all the way, but I'll let you pretty, pretty close. You've got that look in your eyes, oceans deep. It looks like I don't have a choice when you look so pretty, pretty boy.
Just a short drive from Mombasa city center, Nguuni Nature Sanctuary is a peaceful retreat surrounded by lush landscapes and diverse wildlife. It's a place where you can unwind, explore, and reconnect with nature. The hidden gem is a home of majestic giraffes, slow-moving tortoise, ostrich, variety of bird species that makes the sanctuary feel alive with nature's symphony. Do you know ostrich are the largest and fastest running birds in the world? Despite being birds, they cannot fly, but their powerful legs make them incredible runners and strong kickers capable of fending off predators like lions. One of the biggest highlights of the sanctuary is getting up close and personal with wildlife. First, we have the gentle giant giraffes. They're so beautiful and calm. Beyond the wildlife, Nguuni is one of the Mombasa's most popular picnic spots. Every weekend, families and couples gather here with picnic baskets, foldable chairs, coolers, ready to enjoy a day in nature. Many bring their own barbecue grills, turning the open plains into a lively yet peaceful picnic area. And for something a little more laid back, say hello to the leopard tortoise. Slow but full of personality, these ancient creatures add a peaceful charm to the sanctuary's ecosystem. And now this is the end of an amazing day. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more epic adventures. Thank you. Bye.